that regulation, right? So this is independent of the cephalic phase. We can start the gastric phase by, even without food being present in the stomach, that is, we can stimulate the secretion of gastrin by thoughts, sights, sounds, being hungry, that kind of thing from the brain, long reflexes. But let's assume that we don't have those. If food is present in the stomach, let's ignore this right here. Here's what happens. If you have food in the stomach cells are going to secrete gastrin, right? And gastrin is going to stimulate these three things. It's going to stimulate the secretion of acid. Why? Because you want to sterilize the food and you want to denature protein. Gastrin is going to trigger the release of pepsin and lipase from those enteroendocrine cells. Why? Because you want to begin to digest protein and fat. Gastrin is going to stimulate smooth muscle contraction in all three layers of the stomach. Why? Because you want to churn and liquefy food. What do you want to produce? Chyme. And as soon as you get chyme here, it is thin enough, it's watery enough, that a little bit of it can squirt through that pyloric sphincter, right, into the duodenum. But only if enough pressure is present in the stomach. Why are you getting pressure in the stomach? Because the stomach is contracting because of gastrin. But as soon as chyme goes in the duodenum, I better inhibit gastrin production. Because gastrin is what is triggering gastric motility. And I want to turn that off because I need chyme. Otherwise, the stomach's going to overload me with chyme. And I can't work, right? Okay. So what is chyme really? Chyme's hyperosmotic. Do you know what that means? It means it has a high concentration of solutes. That should make sense, right? What are the solutes? All of the food we ate. It's rich in solutes. So yes, it's